This is the Watco 63281 Clear Lacquer Spray. This is for clear wood finishes. Now you might ask yourself, if it's for wood, why are you spraying it on bowling balls? Well, the answer is, I'm getting rid of an old can of this that I found in the basement, and it's still working great after sitting in here for a few years. So I thought, might as well use it. This is not what you want to use on floors or exterior surfaces. I actually use this spray on guitars, on the guitar builds that I do, and I use it over paint. It's got a nice high clarity finish on there, and it holds up better than regular poly, in my opinion. This stuff dries to the touch in about 30 minutes, so you could apply, your second coat if you need it. When you put it on wood, it's made to protect against scratches, and they say that it eliminates the need for wood filler. In my usual application of this product, which is guitars, I still use wood filler. Stuff's gonna be great for use on furniture, cabinets, doors, and many other wooden items. I think it's pretty awesome, and it's one of my favorites. Watco 63281 Clear Lacquer Satin Finish. Love it. And there they are, all shiny looking with the clear satin on them. Looks good. My garden bowling balls.